from Glenwood Elementary School. I hope you guys are hearing me. I see the buttons going around. I hope that means it's doing something. It keeps flashing. If anybody's there, if you'll give me a thumbs up to let me know you can see me. I see somebody's commenting. Having some technical difficulties. All right. Hi, I'm Miss Huffman from Glenwood. I hope everybody's is okay. I'm a little nervous, so I'm going to be talking fast probably. And if I do, I'll try to take a breath and slow down. If y'all give me a thumbs up to let me know you're out there and you can hear me. Give it a few minutes before I start. All right. So what we're going to do first is we're going to talk about money today. It's first grade, 1.MD.5. It's identify quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies related to their value as a penny. So today we're just going to talk about the characteristics of the coins and how they're doing and what they are and what they look like. So first, we're going to subitize. Are you ready, first graders? We're going to get some music. Hope you can hear it. Are you ready? Here we go. 10. 10 and 6 more, 16. 10, 2 more, 12. 10 and 4 more, 14. And my video keeps popping a little, so I hope that it's doing right. So before we start, let's look at some vocabulary. This word is quarter, coin, cent or cents, depending on how much you got, nickel, penny, and dime. So the first coin we're going to look at is a penny. Now typically in class we'd have the penny here and our bubble would be empty. But we're alive, so it's already filled in. So a penny is 1 cent, and you can write it 1 cent. It's brown or bronze. The Lincoln Memorial is on the back. It's smooth edged. Abraham Lincoln is on the front and made of copper or zinc. So I have a poem to help you remember the penny. And it goes, penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. I bet you don't know what this coin is. What is that coin? A nickel, that's right. And a nickel has Monticello on the back, and that's where Jefferson lived. 5 cents, 5 cents. Smooth edge, made from copper and metal. Thomas Jefferson's on the front. 5 pennies have the same value as 1 nickel. Silver and gray, and another way to write it is 0.05. If you guys are watching or see me, please give me a thumbs up so I know this is working. I've never done it on my Chromebook. I see Christopher. The next coin is a dime, and a dime is worth 10. I miss you too, Christopher. A dime is worth 10 cents, and it's written out 10 cents. Has a rough edge. 10 pennies have the same value as 1 dime. Franklin D. Roosevelt is on the front. An olive branch, a torch, and an oak branch are on the back, and it's made of metal. It's silver and gray. Our last coin is the quarter. Quarter's worth 25 cents. 25 cents. It has a rough edge. George Washington's on the front. Some quarters have the state symbol and others have a bald eagle on the back. They're made of copper and metal. They're worth 25 cents. And 25 pennies has the same value as 1 quarter. Hey, Sebastian, I miss you guys. So I have some more poems for you to go with our other coins to help you to remember them. I'm getting a message. I hope that this is coming through right. Okay, so nickel. Here's a nickel. I'm going to get really close. Nickel. See the nickel? Says, nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. Then you have the dime. Look, there's the dime. He's so little, but he's worth 10 cents. Crazy. It says, dime, dime, little and thin, I remember your worth. 10. Then we have the quarter. Look, I have 2 different quarters. Washington's on the front, and then on the back, one of them has a bald eagle, and one of them has a state. I hope you can see that. It's kind of hard. It's okay. So the poem for that is, quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told. So again, for some of you that weren't here to begin with, we're talking about the quarter in first grade. We're also talking about the dime, a nickel, and a penny. And in first grade, we just have to recognize them and know their value equivalent to a penny. So, if you have 1 quarter, how many pennies will it take to make 1 quarter? Can anybody answer that? Hello, Rayleigh. What about a nickel? If you have a nickel, how much is that worth in pennies? And a dime. Remember, a dime is worth 10, which is also the same as if we had 1 10 rod. Do you remember those when we did place value? And the last one, there he is, the little copper penny. So let's review one more time so that you have it and know what they are. This is a, did you say penny? You would be right. That is a penny. It is brown or bronze. The Lincoln Memorial is on the back. He has a smooth edge. Abraham Lincoln is on the front. He's made of copper and zinc, and he's worth 1 cent. The nickel is smooth on the edge, made of copper and metal. Thomas Jefferson's on the front. 5 pennies has the same value as 1 nickel. And we're going to talk about that in just 1 minute. Silver and gray, and Monticello is on the back. Then you have the dime that is rough on the edge. 10 pennies is the same value as 1 dime. Franklin D. Roosevelt is on the front. An olive branch, a torch, and an oak branch are on the back. It's made of metal, and it's gold. And then we have the quarter. 25 pennies has the same value as 1 quarter. So, it has a rough edge. George Washington on the front. Some quarters, like I said, have a bald eagle. Some have the different state symbols on them, and they're made of copper and metal. So let's see. I'm going to move this over, and I have some play money. Tomorrow, when I come on again live at 9, I would like for you guys to have some coins. Just get you a whole bunch of quarters, nickels, dimes, and pennies. We're going to do some sorting, and we're going to do some graphing with those. But for right now, let's look right here. When I hold it up, let's see if you know what it is. What's this one? It's brown, has the Lincoln Memorial, and Abraham Lincoln. Can somebody tell me? Can you comment and tell me what that is? I'll give you a second. That's a penny. Good job. All right. Let's see if you know this one. Get real close. What is that? It's larger. Has Washington. Could be upside down. Not sure. And this one has a bald eagle on the back. Nope, that one has a state symbol. What's this one worth? 25 cents. That's right. This one? That's right. It's a dime. That is a dime. And it's crazy how he's small. He's smaller than a penny, but he's worth more than the penny. I want you to look at the quarter and the dime. How are they both the same? Similar. They're both gray. How are they different? One is larger, one is smaller. This one's worth more than this one. This one's worth 25 cents. This one's worth 10 cents. So what I would like for you to do when the video's over, you guys get some coins and explore them with your parents and talk to them about, are the edges smooth? How are they similar? How are they different? What's their value? And let's see how many of you can figure out how many pennies it takes to make a quarter or a dime or a nickel. I love you guys, and I hope you have an awesome day. I'll be back tomorrow at 11 o'clock again, and we're going to sort some coins, and then we're going to make a graph with those coins, and we're going to also talk about the value of those coins. I love you guys, and I miss you so much. Thank you for joining me today. Mwah.